Hello, my name is Bence and this presentation is about my new SCF Round 40 submission, the JS Capacitor Passkey Kit with YubiKey hardware support. I have been a Stellar developer since 2021 and I contributed to different classic Stellar SDKs such as the iOS and Flutter SDKs and to the assembly script Soroban SDK. I am the main developer and maintainer of the PHP Stellar Anchor SDK. Seeing and following the growing demand for mobile and hybrid passkey support in various Stellar Discord discussions, I implemented a solution to make it easy for JavaScript developers to provide multi-platform passkey support in their Soroban dApps. The plugin is open source and has been published on NPM, the largest JavaScript package repository. Its release was very well received by the community, confirming the need for the project within the Stellar ecosystem. Right now, there's demand but no working solution for hardware keys support like YubiKey in JavaScript-based Soroban dApps. This limitation has been a recurring topic in the Stellar Discord Passkeys channel. Developers need secure hardware support for their dApps. The solution is to extend the existing Capacitor Passkey plugin with YubiKey support for all supported platforms. I will be also developing an open source demo app that can be used as a reference, showcasing how to integrate the plugin. The deliverable is the complete plugin extension adding YubiKey functionality on iOS, Android and web, together with a comprehensive demo application that showcases all the integrations and features. This upgrade brings hardware security keys into the Stellar ecosystem, improving trust and security for smart wallets and other Soroban dApps. The project aligns with the Stellar Development Foundation goal. Make it easy for developers of Stellar project to create highly usable products. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my proposal, please vote for it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.